On November 12, 1964, Kelso won the Washington, D.C. International Stakes.
There's a crowd of 38,000 at Laurel for the International that has Gunbo as one U.S. representative in the field of 8. The other native son is the immortal Kelso, now 7 years old, but always ready to take on all comers when the barrier goes up. Gunbo takes the early lead from horses representing Ireland, the Soviet Union, France, Venezuela, Italy, and Japan. And who's running second? None other than the horse world's hero, Kelso. Magnificent Gelding has never won this rich $150,000 race in 3 previous tries. A victory today would climax a fabulous career for the wonder horse who is approaching retirement. On the first turn around the track, jockey Ismail Valenzuela is letting him run easily as they thunder past the stand. Has made Kelso the money favorite as well as the sentimental choice. As they go down the back stretch for the second time, Valenzuela lets Kelso have his head a bit, and the horse responds eagerly. Kelso is a horse who loves to run and loves to win. When he moves abreast of Gunbo, he's in a take-charge move. As they pass the last turn, Kelso really begins to travel, and he is brought over to the rail. It was this maneuver that resulted in a foul claim later by Gunbo's jockey. But obviously, Kelso was in the clear when he made his move, and he's off for home with a 90,000 pot of gold waiting him at the wire. Kelso is across in 2:23 4/5, a new American record for the mile and a half. The protest is posted, and there are a few anxious minutes before the results are official, and Kelso is on his way to being the horse of the year for the 5th time. With record earnings of more than $1,800,000, Kelso may run once more in New York. Then it's out to pasture for the greatest horse of all time.